Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add team members in Whimsical in 2026. Whether you're working with coworkers, clients, or classmates, inviting people to your workspace is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open your workspace or the board where you want to add team members. Next, click the **share asterisk or invite ** button in the top right corner. This will open the invitation window where you can add new members. Now enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Before sending the invitation, choose the appropriate permission level, such as viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what access you want them to have. Once you've selected the permissions, click Send Invite **. Your teammates will receive an email with a link to join your workspace or access the shared board. After they accept the invitation, everyone can collaborate in real time, leave comments, edit content, and work together on the same project. And that's it. You've successfully added team members in Whimsical. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.